Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode from Whalejaw 3D. In this episode, the one you've all been waiting for, I'm going to give away the Batmobile. It served its purpose, I don't really need it anymore, I'm kind of bored on it. So, shall we have a look at the file? So, if you're new here, we've kind of got a process when we release a model. We basically come in, we check it all, and we make sure it's good for consumption. And at the same time, I give you a bit of a walk around the model on how to use it as well. This lovely Batmobile right here that's now available for download, it's quite a simple model, realistically. We've got a rig, haven't we? If you watch the series, you'll understand fully how this model works, kind of thing. But if I just give you a quick overview, make sure everything works. Press Control Tab, you come into your pose mode. Everything's working as it should. Yeah, I've animated with it, your brake calipers stay where they should. It's bang on. It's probably one of the best models I've made, if I'm honest. Yeah, lovely. So, you've got that function. You've also got these two things here, your gun turrets. What you can do is you can come over to your pose shape keys, which is in your data, and then if you open this one, it's usually closed. What we can do with this is crank it up to 1, or rather, these are the things we've got to change. Look, that's changed. We need to change that to 1, so that we can actually punch in 1 there. And you'll see that the gun turrets will open. Like, we can just drag on that one, drag it up, drag it down, and you've got yourself basically a gun turret, yeah? To animate further, you can press rotate on this gun rotation gizmo here. That will rotate everything. It's basically working on a constraint from these two bones. These bones, you don't really need to see them, so I will turn them off. And if you look, they're just in here, so I'll leave them on. We've got a couple of lights that should be in time with the animation, but it's one of those, if you come into here, look, the muzzle flash is turned off at the minute because we're not doing anything with it, are we? It's the same with this gun light, you've just got to keyframe the power on and off. It's pretty basic, but everything's parented up and lovely so that you can just press rotate on this, on your Z, and you can easily animate and rotate the guns. So, with the guns cleared, you've also got a booster on the rear here, courtesy of Blender Kit online. It's a very simple geometry node kind of shader thing. You can just animate the scale if you want. You can animate the noise texture if you want to make it more textured. I liked it just basic. That can be found in the body, in the Batmobile. And it is the thrust flame right here. Yeah, parented to that car. So knowing that, you've also got your brake lights, haven't you, which are there, and if you click on the actual model, I do believe you can come to the lights. Yeah, if we click on it, look, there's something on the inside, and it's basically, if you look in your shader, your Batmobile red light lens red. That's obviously in your rear lights. I've got a whole folder for your rear lights there, look. So you've got your actual bulbs there, look, that show up, and then you've got your emission object for inside the brake lights. I didn't do any front lights because it felt like he's the Batman, he doesn't need lights. He's probably got night vision or something, hasn't he? Yeah, so, and on top of all that, it's probably worth mentioning that there's this one here called your particle tire smoke, where if you just turn it on, press play to load it into your render cache. I think it only goes for 50 frames anyway, because I didn't want to blow your computer up, but there's a whole episode on how to do that as well. I'll probably link it below or something, but check out my channel. Just click on my channel. There's endless videos that'll probably take your fancy. Well, if you just render it out, look, you've also got tire smoke if you want it. You've got it all. You've got an exhaust flame, you got lights, you got smoke, you've got a rigged car, you've got guns with flashing animations. You've got it all with this, basically. So, see what you can do. Model overview complete. If you'd like to download this model, you can. It's online. Show me what you can do with it, basically. Thank you for watching my channel. Not really got many words today, other than thank you. I'm ready for a new project now. That's probably why I'm lost for words, because I'm just bored of the Batmobile. If you want to play with it, knock yourself out, kids. Just show your gratitude with a click of the like button, subscribe to my channel, and that's pretty much what my channel is. Come hang out, we'll learn Blender, and at the end, I'll give some free stuff away. The greater we can make this, the more models I can make for free. It's up to us as a community to come together and make this happen, isn't it? So, like, comment, subscribe. Have a nice night. Have a good play with the old Batmobile, and I'll see you on the other side.